In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send customer statements in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly how to select the right customers, set the correct date range, preview the statements, and send them with confidence. First, log into Xero using your usual credentials. Once you're on the dashboard, head to the top menu and click Contacts. This is where all your customers and suppliers live. From there, open All Contacts to see the full list of people and businesses in your account. If you manage multiple organizations, make sure you're in the right one before you continue. Near the top right of the Contacts page, look for the three-dot menu beside the New Contact button. Click that menu and choose Send Statements. This opens the statement sending workflow and lets you batch send to multiple customers at once, which is a real time saver. Now, choose the customer contacts you want to include. You can select all, or pick just the customers who need a reminder or an up-to-date balance. Take a moment to glance at the email column. If any contact doesn't have a valid email address, Xero will flag it, and you can update that contact later so they receive the next statement. Next, set the statement date range. This defines which invoices, credits, and payments appear on the statement. Pick a sensible window. Many businesses use the prior month or the current financial period. If you're chasing overdue amounts, ensure the end date is today so the outstanding balance is fully captured. Before sending, review the statement details that Xero displays. Confirm the organization name and branding are correct, check that the customer list looks right, and verify the date range. This is also a good time to ensure your statement message is clear and professional. A concise note like, "Please find your latest statement attached," works well, and you can add a polite reminder about payment terms if appropriate. Click Preview to open a sample of the customer statements. Skim a few to confirm the layout, balances, and aging totals look accurate. Make sure there are no unexpected credits or missing invoices, and that the contact's email appears as expected. When everything looks good, click Send. Xero will process the statements and email them to the selected contacts. Give it a moment to complete. Finally, confirm the statements were sent successfully. You should see a confirmation message showing how many were sent. If any failed, Xero will let you know so you can fix those contacts and try again. And that's it. You've sent customer statements in Xero quickly and accurately.